In this video, I'm going to show you 18 amazing health benefits of clean eating you can apply today. So how does clean eating work? Well, clean eating is more of a lifestyle than a short-term diet. The main premise is that clean food is whole and it's unrefined without additives or preservatives. There's no artificial flavourings, no artificial colourings, and there's no sugar substitutes. Nothing is off limits as long as it's made of pure, unadulterated ingredients. Those who practice clean eating focus on choosing foods with less than 4 to 6 ingredients, all of which should be easily recognisable and nothing you can't pronounce. It also usually involves exercising regularly, drinking plenty of water, and ensuring proper nutrition through supplements. Clean eating is supposed to benefit the body by aiding fat loss and weight loss, increasing energy levels, increasing mental well-being, and improving skin clarity, hair strength, and sleep quality. Let's take a look at the health benefits of clean eating. Number 1, a pumped up brain power. A clean diet nurtures your most important organ, the brain. Whole foods deliver nutrients like B vitamins that boost brain function and antioxidants that support memory and attention. Number 2, weight loss. One of the joys of eating foods that are closest possible to being in the form that nature gives them to us is that your body tends to thrive and stay slim almost effortlessly. Sometimes there are hormonal issues involved with not being able to lose weight, but getting in tune with your body and sticking with a healthy lifestyle long enough will eventually let you heal. Number 3, a sustainable and healthy lifestyle. Clean eating is surprisingly sustainable because it's so delicious, satisfying, and makes you feel amazing. Unlike diets that ask you to practice torturous calorie restriction or avoid foods rich in flavour, clean eating is about rewiring your taste buds for life. This means slow and steady, and you'll learn how to love clean foods. Number 4, cancer prevention. Eat a clean diet and you'll also help fight cancer growth. Following a diet rich in processed foods puts you at an increased risk of cancer and saturated fat. Processed meat and fried foods all up your risk of cancer. On the other hand, a clean diet rich in fruits and veggies boosts your intake of phytonutrients and antioxidants, which fight cancer growth. Particularly healthy vegetables are cruciferous veggies, a family that includes broccoli and kale. Tomatoes are also especially beneficial. Number 5, improved sleep quality. Another of the surprising benefits of a clean diet is better shut-eye. Food quality and proper sleep are connected in a number of ways. Researchers believe high-fat diets negatively affect brain chemicals, which supports the sleep-wake cycle and appetite management. Eat your way to a better sleep with clean eating and nutrient-rich dinners. Number 6, glowing skin. From refined sugar to excess alcohol, empty calories deprive the skin of nutrients it needs to stay strong and resilient. Nourish fresher looking skin by eating whole foods packed with skin-loving nutrients like healthy fats and antioxidants. Number 7, a better mood. There's a strong correlation between food and mood, and several books have written about this. It seems we have long discounted the link between food and things like depression and anxiety. Keep your blood glucose levels stable and live long and happy with clean eating. Number 8, simplify meal planning. Clean eating provides all the nutrition you need using ingredients you can buy at your local grocery store, giving you the tools for a lifetime of healthy eating. Number 9, a faster recovery. You will find on a healthy diet that your workouts are better and that your recovery time is also cut down too. This is because in part of the minimised inflammation in your body, but also because of the great antioxidants you are getting from your food. Number 10, a stronger body. When you're malnourished, strength is at an all-time low. This prevents you from being able to get the most out of your day or even find the energy to exercise. Clean eating naturally brings hormones into balance, causing excess fat to melt away, and muscle builds more easily when you're fed right. It's a great goal to set yourself to feel strong and solid in your body. Number 11, less cravings. Your body is naturally cleansing and detoxifying when you're eating clean, so a lot of the old stuff in your colon and tissues gets flushed out and it's no longer controlling your biology and cravings. In a sense, you're totally reprogramming your relationship with food in a positive way. Number 12. Lower your food bills. Takeouts, restaurants and processed foods come at a cost to your waistline and your bank account. See the difference in your budget by swapping your usual go-to dinners for nutritional homemade recipes. Number 13. Less constipation. Processed foods like white breads and pastas have been stripped of all their fibre that keeps constipation, bloating and other tummy troubles in check. So by avoiding these foods, you're helping your body flush itself out. Number 14. Fantastic flavour. Once you start regularly eating clean, you might be surprised by how off processed food tastes. Many foods in the conventional American diet are loaded with ingredients like sodium and other additives which mask natural flavours. Some processed foods have a chemical aftertaste you won't notice until your taste buds are accustomed to eating clean. Number 15. Higher energy levels. Bad carbohydrates and refined sugars make the body feel sluggish and less than ready to take on the day. Eating a clean diet delivers stable energy sources whilst maintaining blood sugar. The result is you're better able to go from dawn till dusk and beyond. Number 16. A stronger immune system. Anytime you're consuming processed foods and sugar, the immune system has to spend energy protecting you against what you're putting in your body, leaving very little energy left to protect against illness. A clean eating lifestyle leads to a bolstered immune system that can better fight viruses and diseases, and when you don't get sick, your body will have more resources to recover quickly. Number 17. Improved cardiovascular health. Clean eating supports your long-term health as a healthy diet helps lower your risk of cardiovascular disease. Fruits and vegetables, for example, come packed with vitamin C, a nutrient that helps maintain the strength of your blood vessels. A diet rich in fruits and veggies lowers coronary heart disease risk and also protects against stroke and high blood pressure. Number 18. It can lower inflammation, and this one is huge. Inflammation is at the root of most of all pain and disease. Of course, some inflammation in the body is natural because it comes with the stresses of everyday living, but natural whole foods and herbs have healing properties that help to minimize and manage inflammation, preventing pain and disease as well as helping you reach your weight loss goals naturally. So to give you a bit more meat on the bones, people who follow this diet stick to fruits and vegetables, whole grains, non-fat dairy and whole cuts of meat that are straight from the butcher. They avoid bad fats like saturated and trans fats, as well as sodas, high-calorie juices and other drinks that provide a lot of unnecessary calories. They also refrain from eating processed and refined foods. Individuals who follow a clean eating lifestyle eat 5 or 6 meals a day to keep their blood sugar levels stable and to prevent hunger. Each meal usually includes lean protein, complex carbohydrates and healthy fats. Clean eating is a valid choice for many people because it's not necessarily limiting the amount of food that's consumed. The main issue for most people is getting used to the tastes of foods that are unflavoured with artificial ingredients. Many clean eaters are also somewhat flexible about cheating, meaning they don't beat themselves up over the occasional slip-up, like a glass of red wine or a piece of dark chocolate. This makes the diet easier to sustain, but just like anything good in life, it takes commitment and practice that pays off in vibrant health and happiness. So the downside of clean eating is that more work needs to go into preparing the food because you won't be able to pick up pre-packaged meals. People often go around this by buying frozen fruits and vegetables to speed up the meal preparation. So how easy is it to apply? Well, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but once your taste buds have gotten accustomed to natural foods and you're familiar with reading labels in the grocery store, it's not very hard to stick to a meal plan that revolves around whole ingredients. So who is it best for? Well, clean eating is good for anyone, but it works particularly well for those who like to cook and don't want strict calorie limitations. Finally, don't think of a clean diet as something that's boring and that's meant for people with health and weight issues. It will benefit every single aspect of your life and bring countless positive changes. Also, look out for organic foods. Buying organic foods limits your exposure to pesticides, antibiotics, hormones and other harmful chemicals. Reducing your exposure to these chemicals will help you place less stress on your detoxification and immune systems. In some studies have found that the concentration of antioxidants in organically processed food is stronger than that of conventionally grown items. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 18 amazing health benefits of clean eating you can apply today. And if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the health benefits of beet juice. Thanks for watching and bye for now.